Who's there? What is it? What is it? Hi guys, welcome to another video. I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. I recorded it with my GoPro Max. A lot of you guys ask how I get the point of view shots, and that's what I used. And I just used Nick's phone because I'm recording on my phone right now. I used Nick's phone to view what I was seeing on the GoPro to make sure that everything was in the shot. So in case you guys were wondering how I get those shots, that's how I get them. First off, if you are a new viewer to my channel, I want to say that I'm not really a techie and I'm not really doing that big of a comparison or talking about a lot of the specs of this new MacBook Pro that I just got. This was more of just an upgrade from my old MacBook Pro just because I've had it since 2014. So this one was just starting to get really slow on me, and I realized that I needed more graphics memory on it. If it wasn't for that, I would probably still be using this laptop because it actually does run really great. And the reason I didn't feel so bad getting a new one is because during the holiday season, usually I try to hire a seasonal employee to help me out, and having just one computer is not going to cut it. And I hope that having this, they'll be able to cut things on the Glowforge with it, cut things on the Cricut, print shipping labels, or do whatever they need to do without us interrupting each other. My first impression was that it was actually a little smaller than I expected compared to my 15 or so inch MacBook Pro. I didn't realize that the screen size on the 16-inch one was only bigger just because there's less of a black border, which does make sense, and I don't mind too much because I was pretty happy with the size of my original MacBook Pro. My second impression was the trackpad is really awesome. This is so much bigger than my last trackpad. My trackpad on this MacBook Pro actually started to get really bad, and I had to start using a mouse on it just to work it properly, and the click never worked right. I had to set it so that it would click on a tap And this one feels a lot more even, so I'm hoping I don't have any issues with that. But usually when I'm editing videos or editing in Photoshop, I prefer to use a mouse or key controls anyway, so always being able to use the trackpad on this one wasn't much of an issue. But I'm sure I'll probably be using a lot more hand gestures just because of how easy it is to access. Another difference is that Apple got rid of all the ports, so everything that was on here is all Type-C on the new MacBook. So here are a couple of the things I got from Amazon. So here's just a mini adapter that you can put a USB into Type-C. This one's a 5-in-1 USB-C hub. So can put the micro SD, the SD, 2 USBs, and is this like a, I think that's like a HDMI. And I also got a stand for them because now since I have 2 MacBooks, if I want to store them or dock one and have it out of the way, do I need to tighten something? Maybe over time they get loose. Okay, so I guess I gotta save that. Okay, this is actually, it doesn't slip, feels really sturdy, feels like it has rubber all along the inside, so you don't have to worry about your computers getting scratched up. Ooh, my old MacBook is pretty snug in there. But it fits. That's good. Cool. I'll link all of the stuff that I got down below. I also got this bamboo stand because when I'm not using my monitor, I probably should have grabbed a box cutter. I'm failing at this. Because when I'm not using my monitor and I'm sitting at this table, the stool's kind of high and then you kind of have to look down to look at your screen and it hurts your neck. So I decided to get this stand so that it makes it more comfortable to look at the screen whenever I'm sitting anywhere else. And I got one that you can also, I have like the Apple keyboard and it lays in here pretty nicely so you can store the keyboard under the laptop too. I know that getting a MacBook Pro is not an easy purchase. When I got my first one, I was still in college, I was serving tables. The thought of spending several grand on a laptop seemed crazy. When I got this one then, I did not pay for all of it at once. I believe this one cost me about $2,800 and I got a Best Buy credit card with a $2,000 credit card limit, and they were doing 12-month financing for purchases over like $1,500 or something with a 0% interest. So I went ahead and did that. I paid the $800, put $2,000 on the Best Buy credit card, and then just paid monthly for 12 months. Since making this purchase, my Best Buy credit card limit has gone up, so I was able to put the entirety of this one on my Best Buy credit card. It was about $3,100 with 3 years of coverage. I think they were doing $200 off for Best Buy members as well, so I did get a discount on the laptop. But this time they were doing 24-month financing with 0% interest. So I went ahead and did that, and I believe the monthly payment comes out to about $125 to $150 a month. So if a MacBook Pro is something that you really need either for school because you're going for graphic design or web development, or for work and you're working with a lot of applications or editing videos and you feel like it's a little bit out of your budget, then I highly recommend trying to get a Best Buy credit card just so that you have that option to pay within about 2 years with 0% interest. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and seeing the little accessories that I got for my new MacBook. I still need to finish quite a few orders for the week, so I'm gonna get to doing that now. in here? Why are you in here, buddy? You guys are supposed to be in here. Nyla. Hi! Hey, sweetie. Is your brother being loud? He's making a lot of noise. Yes? How are you? I need a vacuum in here. Hey. How you doing? Say bye. Say bye, YouTube. What? Oh my gosh, okay. Nick knocked over the ring light, so it was kind of dark in here for some of the packing, so I just skipped over some, but Nick finished all of the potty mouth ones. I did some of the peace and love ones because he says they're like too complicated to pack, and we dropped those off. When I dropped them off, I realized that Nick didn't put the thank you little poop thank you stickers on the potty mouth orders, so sorry if you didn't get a little thank you poop sticker, but he did put the happy mail ones on there. But yeah, thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and the studio vlog footage. If you enjoyed the video and you're not subscribed already, please subscribe down below. You can also follow me at Potty Mouth Jewelry on Instagram. I post a lot more behind the scenes there and give you sneak peeks of future studio vlogs. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!